This is an over-ear active noise cancelling wireless Bluetooth headphone exclusively for Google employees. Hello again guys, I'm Emil and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't watched my video about me being part of Google Operations Center, I'll put the link right here, above here, and also in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe because I'm giving away an Adidas camo waist bag. Okay, thanks in advance for subscribing. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much guys. It's been more than a month since we became part of this new operating unit of Google, and it's been, I think, more than 2 weeks after we left our Uptown office and transferred to our new office at Net Lima. Uptown BGC was my second home for more than 2 years, and I'm still adjusting to our new office as I won't be seeing my girlfriend there. Sad, but I need to endure it. She will be staying at Uptown BGC with her team. As mentioned on my previous video on being part of Google account, one of the advantages that you can get is free meals. So you can have breakfast, lunch, afternoon snack, dinner, then midnight snack. But at GOC, food is free 24/7. Yes, you heard that right. 24/7.
Yeah, baby.
You can have cereals at any time of the day. You can have chips, prunes, fresh fruits for your personal consumption, of course. You can have like energy bars such as Fit Bar and energy drinks such as Gatorade and Vitamilk for your snacks. Also, at GOC, we will soon have bidets at our lavatories.
Yeah, baby.
Hooray for bidets. Everyone in the Philippines would love to work on a company with bidets, right? So going back to this exclusive headphone, any employee of Google or GOC can have this for free. Yes, it is free. You don't have to pay for it. I believe if you resign or leave the company, you'll have to return this headphone. And I think if you're part of a vendor, you won't be able to order this from our internal site. This headphone is strictly not for resale. If you will try to resell this at eBay or other online selling shop, you will be risking your job at Google. So I won't be reselling this. But this can be brought home, isn't it obvious?
Yeah, baby.
I've been using this headphone for more than a month, and all I can say, it produces reasonably good sound quality. However, I noticed that it lacks bass, so I would still prefer my iPhone earphones when it comes to sound quality. But I'm not an audiophile, so please don't consider this as a technical review. If you look at the structure of it, it doesn't look like a premium one like the Marshall, Bose, and Beats headphones. The only noticeable part of this headphone is the color surrounding the power button at each ear because it resembles the Google colors. Additionally, it has built-in microphone for taking phone calls or video calls. The whole package includes USB Type-A to USB Type-C connector. This is for charging, and also a traditional audio cable for tethered listening. Lastly, it contains a quick start guide. Okay, so if you are really interested in being part of GOC and want to have this personally, please apply using the link found at the description box below. We're actually looking for AdWords and Google Analytics tech peeps. So if you have experience with these products, then apply now. Also, if you have questions, feel free to put them at the comment section below and I'll try to answer it. That's all folks. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and also the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for my next vlog. Bye bye!